Are you an executive or a professional looking for an extraordinary professionally written resume? Do you think you have all the potential yet not able to get your dream job interview call? Are you looking for those magic techniques which can make your resume stand out? You will have to learn how to think and write in a style that is completely new to you. Writing a great resume does not necessarily mean you should follow the rules you hear through the grapevine. It does not have to be one page or follow one specific resume format. Every resume is a one-of-a-kind marketing communication. It should be appropriate to your situation and do exactly what you want to do instead of a bunch of rules and tips. In this course, I have cut it down to powerful techniques which can offer you most basic principles of writing a power resume. After coaching thousands of candidates, senior members of the Fortune 500 companies, thousands of mid and early career professionals, artists, technical people, and others in nearly every field of endeavor, I have collected a total of 21 power techniques to make your resume outshine in the sea of resumes. In this course, you will learn the tools and techniques of active personal marketing through your resume. I understand for few very specific jobs, you might have to tone down a few notches and use a more traditional, conservative form accepted in your field. But even when your presentation must fit in narrow set of rules, you can still use the principles of power resume to make your presentation more effective than your competitors. With a little extra effort, you can create a resume that makes you stand out as a superior candidate for a dream job you are seeking. Not one resume in hundreds of resumes follows the principles that stir the interest of prospective employers. So, even if you face a fierce competition with power resume, you should be invited to interview more than many people. It is a mistake to think of your resume as a history of your past, as a personal statement, or as some sort of self-expression. Sure, most of the content of any resume is focused on your job history, but write from the intention to create interest, to persuade the employer to call you, to perk them up. If you write with that goal, your final product will be very different than if you write to inform or catalog your job history. Most people write a resume because everyone knows that you have to have one to get a job. No, it should not be that. They write the resume grudgingly to fulfill this obligation. Writing the resume is only slightly above filling your income tax forms in the hierarchy of worldly delights. If you realize that a great resume can be your ticket to getting exactly the job you want, you may be able to muster some genuine enthusiasm for creating a real masterpiece rather than a feeble product most people turn out. So let's get started to create a new you and grab that dream job.